Hi class, it's Professor Hunt here again. I'm going to give you another overview on our upcoming module. This is Module 2. Of this whole course, Module 2 might be one of the most important and one of the most important topics that you can use as a registered nurse on the floor. So in this module, we're going to be discussing pressure ulcers, all the different stages of pressure ulcers, what their findings are, stage 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then the unstageable. You'll see the unstageable is similar to stages 3 and 4, but we're unable to tell because of all the different kinds of eschar and sloughing that might be on top of the wound, but we're going to talk about that more. In this module, we're going to learn new terms of medical jargon, like some people say, such as eschar and sloughing, like I just mentioned, and we're going to learn about the term erythema and blanchable. So we're going to be able, by the end of this, you're going to be able to compare and contrast the different stages of pressure ulcers. And we're going to learn who's at risk and what can be done to avoid pressure ulcers. Now be mindful when a patient develops pressure ulcers, the hospital is at fault for that. So the hospital has to pay for that, not the insurance companies. I'm pretty sure of that. And then when there is a wound involved, you're going to be able to collaborate with the wound ostomy care nurse. She or he will give you the orders to care for and treat the wound. So in addition to the rest of the medical team, you're going to add another person into the mix, which is the wound ostomy care nurse. And they go to additional schooling. It's another degree. Usually they're nurse practitioners, but that's something that can be talked about down the line, but let's just finish our undergrad nursing first. So again, as always, if there's any questions, feel free to post them to the discussion board because your friend and peer might have the same question as you. Now remember to pay attention, especially in this module, because there is a quiz. There's a 10-question quiz, which can be found on the assignment tab or at the bottom of the folder for Module 2. All right, everyone, good luck.